bend so what's tell them not. Let's go. Can you do that? Ah, tanto, international. Hey, what's up, Bombay? Hey, I am professional. I am professional. Check. Yeah, the Bukanita, the Ganamata, the Lessenist, to my enemies. But when I pause, so if that's the case, I fell a hold of the resonance. Women in a business, people say specialists, that's my enemies. They tell me to nemesis. Shoot. I'm one of the greatest, the leaders, the seekers. I'm one of the heroes, those niggas of villains, they're adding that trash to rap. They running around the flex. My ambition is clear, I'm blessed. Don't look at me swerve, I'm down with the curve. The love that they giving me, cause I did it respectfully, and I did it so carefully. Yo, Santa Liki, Kevin, did it Kevin, feeling it Panama, Pimpement, the Rampakai, Eletamu, Zena, Payment, Elite, Madame Company, Cohen, Balado, get the money, one of us again, and nothing I'm on a better. But Pitaka Pono, Bishop Ishwila, Kunibaijila, HKT, International, was I'm home, been in this game, I am professional. There's so many pain that we're going through. Trying to understand ourselves, but we can't understand ourselves. You get out of your house with a dirty shirt. Who saw it first? The mindset of a black man is turning to a slave. I'm trying to understand, but I realize and visualize with my real eyes that everything I saw in my life was lies. Maybe pain is something that we must live within, but every time when you try to open your mind, you never even see. Sometimes you have both eyes but still be blind, have both ears but still be deaf. We don't see the truth, but every time we try to see the truth, it's like we're searching for something that we never find. We try to fix a piece that's never broken, search for something that was never stolen. When will we ever be free? You feel like you're stuck in the dark looking for the light, not realizing you're the spark. They try to dig you down, not realizing you're a seed. Then they come back, try to rip from the same seed they try to destroy. Open your mind and open your eyes. Not only your heart has everything that you have in mind. Sometimes we lose ourselves because we try to find our inner self. How could you be the better you if you keep on battling you? When you look inside the mirror, if you don't see a queen or if you don't see a king, so what's the use for you to be alive? You see, sometimes you try to find a way, but where's the way? We try to go straight, but you want to indicate and see the cap. That's why we're losing our lane. Open your mind. The pain we feel inside is not the pain that we feel outside. We search for a way that we can survive, but how could you survive when you feel in pain every day, seeing your brothers on drugs, your sister's a prostitute, but in your mind you ask yourself, do you have to judge, or maybe open up your mind and try to see it with another view? Pain is what I feel, I'm trying to heal, but every time when I'm trying to open my heart and find a way to redefine everything that I find in my life. Define art, but how would you define art if you don't open your mind, if you don't open your eyes to see what is in front of your eyes? The reason why you can't see is because you're searching for something that is never yours. Why are you jealous of your brother or your sister, your uncle or your mother, your father or your uncle? It doesn't matter. The fact is that our skin is black. But I'm not saying I'm separatist, the Chinese, the Indians, and everyone. You should know from today that our blood is red and our bone is white. Open up your eyes.